Wow! You like it, boy? Hey my breakfast family, welcome back to another video. Yeah, thank you so much guys for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for all your wishes on my son's birthday. Yeah, we truly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. He's right here. Daddy said thank you.
Nah.
Yeah. Yeah, we quite appreciate what. So guys, yesterday was a very huge success. I thank God everything went on as planned. Yeah, yesterday there wasn't anything like rain. Honestly, I was like, God, I pray there wouldn't be any rain, because throughout this week it has been raining like crazy. But I was so surprised that yesterday it was a very fair weather. The weather was awesome. Yeah, and again, my sugar boy really surprised me. He didn't even cry. He didn't even do like normal the way he normally does. He was so cooperative, and I honestly love all those. Yeah, I thank God the kids had so much fun. Yeah, so if you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. And for my old and returning subscribers, thank you so much. We really appreciate you. Thank you for always sticking around with me. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider clicking on that red subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell while at it so that you will not miss any of my upload. Give this video a thumbs up. It goes a huge long way for me in this channel. And drop your comments in the comment box below. See who is here, guys. Can you imagine what he's doing? Mommy, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi, sugar boy. Hi. Alright, so guys, there are a lot of things, you know. Like I said, I just called a few family friends, like 3 or 4 families, you know, and I thank God everybody came in successfully. And there are a lot of gifts that was given to him as my son. So today we just wanted to open the gifts and see what is in there. Yesterday everybody was so tired we couldn't open the gifts. So today I felt like, okay, we are going to open the gifts today to see what is inside, and also to say thank you so much to all our family friends that gifted my son those gifts. Yeah, so stick around, make sure you relax yourself, and let's open the gift together. Okay, so fam, here is the very first gift that sugar boy got, and this gift was from daddy, his siblings, and I. So we decided to buy this huge car for him. The truth is that I have been wanting to buy him this car for a very long time. So I felt that this is a good time for us to get one for him. And here we have the car, which he can ride outside with his sister. Yeah. And another thing I love about the car is the fact that you can operate it with remote control, or one can equally ride it for 6 hours after fully charged. Yeah. So it also has some music, it has some FM and also MP3, you know. It has some flashlight at the back and the front. In fact, guys, I really love this car. Everything about this car is so awesome, and I love the fact that the color is red and black. And you guys knows that I am in love. I'm so obsessed with anything called red. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep the camera, maybe put it on something, maybe on the tripod, and be able to open the other ones that we have here, so that we all can see what we have in these gorgeous bags that I'm seeing here. And I have some people around here that are gonna be helping me in opening this bag. Where is Sugar Boy? Where is the birthday boy?
Hello.
neighbor is right there, so he's gonna be assisting us because this is his own. He's gonna be helping us in opening all these bags. So let me drop this camera and we'll go ahead and open the remaining bags. So fam, the very first bag that we are gonna be opening, I want to see who gave us this. Okay, so this gift was given to us from Zena and Zikom. Oh, Ejike Zokoye. Yeah, thank you so much, sis. Thank you, Zena and Zikom, for this awesome gift. Wow, Sugar Boy got a new dress, a new shirt. Yes, and some pants. Okay, and another pant. And this beautiful top as well. Wow. Oh my gosh. And again, wow, get reading for school. So we have this gift again for Sugar Boy. Thank you so much, Ami. Amaka, we really appreciate you and your family. Want to say thank you so much. Yeah, so moving forward, Daddy, can you stop?
Can I open it?
We are opening your
Mom,
gift.
can I open this one?
Okay, so my son is gonna go ahead and open the next gift.
So here we have the rabbit. And out of this box we have a Hot Wheels car for Michael.
Hot Wheel what?
Car.
Wow, so we have Hot Wheel car for Michael,
and
for
also
Sugar Boy.
with a cord.
Oh, and we have this lovely card. Mommy, wait.
Let me.
And we have this lovely card. Dear Michael, birthday wishes coming your way. Hope you have a happy day.
It's from
Wishing you a blessed birthday from Aiden and Savannah. Oh, thank you so much, sweetheart. This is a gift from my neighbor. Yeah, and the gifted Sugar Boy this awesome gift. Yep, we love it. Daddy, see your gift. Do you love your gift? Do you like it? Huh? You like it? He said he likes it. So fam, the next gift that we have here is this bicycle. Yeah, this is a Spider-Man bicycle. It was actually gifted to him by my friend and his sister, you know, Yvonne and family. We are saying thank you so much. Sugar Boy loves this bicycle. Daddy, you have to test your bicycle, okay? Yeah, I love the bicycle. So the next gift that we have, my daughter is going to be opening them and show us what we have inside this amazing bag. Yeah, Mommy, yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Inside there's some paper. There's a shirt.
Wow. This is a Nike shirt for Sugar Boy. And what again?
There's a toy.
Can I help you?
Yeah.
Daddy, can you help her? Let me keep this.
Yeah, some pants too.
Okay. Some pants. Okay.
And he also has an airplane that comes with a car.
Wow, this is awesome. We love this. Daddy, do you love your gifts? Yeah. Daddy, do you love your gifts? You love your gifts, right? Good. Okay, there wasn't any name on this gift, but we are so grateful. Thank you so much. We really love this gift. Yeah, we appreciate. Thanks so very much, sis.
Bye.
Put it in. Okay, fam, the next gift that we have here is actually from Sugar Boy's godparents. Yeah, in the birthday, the t-shirt that Sugar Boy wore was actually made by the godmother, you know. So guys, we are gonna go ahead and open this gift and see what we have in here. Everybody put your hands together. Everybody put your hands together. Let's open. Sugar Boy, oh yeah, we are opening your gift. Ooh. Wow, this is mighty.
Wow.
Wow. Guys, look at what we have here. Daddy, can you see?
So,
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like your gift? Do you like your gift? Hmm? So guys, these are what we have here. This is so lovely. Yeah, thank you so much, sweetheart. Thank you, Diana, and your husband and the family. We really appreciate you. And there's even a card
no, Mommy,
inside
it's from
there.
the call.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, sis. We really appreciate you.
Wow.
Wow.
Hey.
You like it, boy? Sugar boy.
That's more cool.
Ma.
Hello fam, how are you all doing? So we're stepping out now. I thought the party is over. Like, I thought the celebration is over, not until my husband said, oh, we should just dress up, let's just step out. And I think he's taking us, he's taking us to a very good ice cream shop. We've been to this place a couple of times, but since lockdown, this is our first time of going there again. So the family, we all are here going out to go have some ice cream. So I felt like I'm gonna take you guys along with us while we'll go lick some ice cream. Yeah, so come along with us. Let's go have another second round of fun all together. Okay. So guys, my family, we all are in here. Yeah, the kids are at the back, you know, my husband is right here. So let's go together to the ice cream shop and have some cool time. Yeah. So fam, I have here my own ice cream, and what I have here is vanilla and mint ice cream mixed together. Then I have some toppings. I have cones, I have M&Ms, I have Oreos, and also walnuts. Yeah, this is so delicious, as in delicious is yummy. Yeah, I love the ice cream. So enjoy, come and enjoy with me while I lick my ice cream. Yeah, so we couldn't stay there to kind of enjoy the ice cream because, you know, shops are doing, if you buy things, you take it away, you don't stay there to eat it. So that is why we bought them, and we are kind of enjoying it in the car while we'll get back home. Yeah. nice. So far, I'm gonna be cutting this video here, and if you've watched this video to this moment, I honestly appreciate you. Thank you so much for sticking around with me. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider clicking on that red subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will get to know. And also, please give this video a thumbs up. Drop your comments at the comment box below, and I will surely be there to interact and chat with you all. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you guys in my next video. Bye.